Afternoon, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch on Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. This is a brief heat report. We have some heat approaching the flanks of Vesuvius. And again, the server is slow. Now, normally there's maybe one or two detection points further away. I usually ignore them. This is not the first time for Vesuvius. So you can see we have several detection points. Take you to Google Earth, take a look. One in here. I'll show you the rest in a minute. So I've been on the road traveling 24 hours. Not quite awake yet. Anyway, southwest flank of Vesuvius, we have some heat detections. I'll do a more thorough look later this evening. One more a personal note. Before I get to that, actually, wow. This is the bottom of the end of the Red Sea that I've been watching. All these islands are volcanic in origin. And as you can see, quite a few of them are lighting up. And these are all of these ones here. Continue. I had to drive to the coast, Vancouver, to take my wife and daughter to the airport for their flight to Indonesia. And speaking of Indonesia, I understand Anak Krakatau is having a temper tantrum. So this is Krakatau. This is Anak, which is Indonesian for child of Krakatau. And this one in the waters. And this one is Sulawesi. Right offshore from my wife's place of birth. Further up the coast here. I'm going to speak briefly on the auroras, or lack thereof. I'll make a separate statement. I will confirm in about an hour or so when I speak to them when they get to Hong Kong. So they started off in Vancouver, up the coast of British Columbia, along the coast of the Alaska Peninsula, Bering Strait, Kamchatka Peninsula, Russia, and so on, Japan. And I will ask them if they had extensive or bright auroras from the so-called freight trains at CMEs, which for the most part have not been impacting. I will find out soon. That is all.